With that, moving on to our much awaited segment for this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the TNT 1080 winners!
There he is, one half of tonight's main event, the South African gentleman with the Indian flag wrapped around his shoulders in Dane de Villiers.
He's representing India tonight, and that's what he said. He said he's going to walk out with that flag.
He said that when he beats Ishant Rawat, he's going to bring the Indian flag inside.
He's already brought the Indian flag with him, and he's keeping it with him all the way.
This is just his way of showing that how grateful he is to the Indian audience.
Yes, exactly.
Because it was India that made him famous in Temptation Island. But of course, this is not about reality TV. This is about boxing. And let's move on once again to James.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing his opponent, India's most controversial influencer. Give it up for the knucklehead warrior, Ishant Rawat!
The knucklehead warrior, a name befitting the personality in Ishant Rawat, who's making the walk and tonight's final walk into the stage for Global Boxing Series Season 1.
It's been
one
such
of many.
a great what a card. We've had a great fight night, culminating 9 fights, 6 finishes out of 9 fights. It's been incredible top to bottom, and we get a treat here. The Influencer Boxing has come to India officially, brought to you by Global Boxing Series. Dane de Villiers will take on the knucklehead warrior, and I don't know, honestly, I'm a little old for social media, but I'm still a big part of it, and I'm a big fan of these guys. It's going to be interesting to see how this goes down. For the final time, the tail of the tape, Tanay.
Both debutants, Dane and Ishant, going against each other. Dane, 23 years of age versus Ishant Rawat, who's a young 21-year-old man. Dane de Villiers takes the height and reach advantage as he stands 176 centimeters tall versus 170 for Ishant. And both gentlemen make perfect weight. And for the last time tonight, for an introduction, let's go to the ring with the man of the ring, James himself.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing out of the red corner, social media sensation, youth icon, the TNT 1080 winners! Introducing his opponent out of the blue corner, India's most controversial influencer. Ladies and gentlemen, the knucklehead warrior, Ishant Rawat! And the referee for this fight is Tejas Vatekar.
Boxer. Boxer, no holding, no clinching. Obey my command. Okay, touch your gloves. All the best.
Here we go, main event of the evening, brought to you by Global Boxing Series. In the super middleweight division, it is a treat. Influencer boxing for the first time in India. Dane de Villiers takes on the knucklehead warrior Ishant Rawat, and this is the fight my co-commentator Tanay has been waiting for.
I am pumped about this fight.
I'm going to leave this to you.
No, because the thing is that I've seen both these guys way before I knew about Global Boxing Series. I've seen Dane on Temptation Island. I've seen...
I may have watched a few episodes of Temptation
Arjun, don't say a few. I know you watched the entire show. Let's not kid ourselves.
Okay, fine, I did. I was a fan, man. It was great fun.
And Ishant Rawat, actually, I want to say something.
Oh! Ishant Rawat came out immediately trying to take Dane de Villiers' head off.
What's that? That's a
slip. That's a slip. That's not
we saw
a knockdown.
Ishant push Dane down. It was not a knockdown, clearly.
No, that's illegal. You can't push somebody down that way to the head. But here we go. Ishant Rawat immediately stepping in.
And Dane back in with aggression.
Oh, got him with an uppercut there. Man, say what you want. These influencers are putting in the hard work.
What is this energy, Arjun?
These influencers are putting in the hard work to start fighting and training properly. And Ishant Rawat, they're trying to step in.
Beautiful combination there from Dane de Villiers as he's unleashing uppercuts onto the knucklehead warrior.
I want to, win, lose or draw. I want to see a rematch in MMA.
I want to see a rematch happen.
Oh, big overhand rights. Man.
All right, we got a clinch.
Knucklehead Warrior is bringing it to Dane de Villiers.
You know, Ishant Rawat actually was receiving a lot of trolling online where people were saying that he's only training. When is he going to fight? When is he going to fight?
he's
And
got
to
his
all
moment
those
now.
people, this is Ishant Rawat, Knucklehead Warrior for you.
Ishant Rawat doing a good job defending himself, and he's keeping his hands up. Dane de Villiers needs to keep those hands up. Ishant, both these men back with a good amount of power. They need to be careful here. Ishant Rawat now again slowing down a little bit, trying to find his
Well,
mark.
finally, these guys have let go of some of the energy and are now starting to feel each other's range. Or maybe I was wrong.
I mean, it's, you know, it's a slugfest.
Oh.
And it's Ishant Rawat who's got a clinch on him. It looks more like a Muay Thai clip. Oh, big
Beautiful
shots there.
combination there from
Big
Ishant.
shots from Ishant Rawat. And Dane de Villiers is a bit on the back foot. He's
Definitely been receiving a lot of
He's
rod
eaten
from
a couple
Ishant.
of shots here. I'm looking forward to seeing Dane de Villiers starting to unleash a little bit because Ishant Rawat's defense so far has been very, very good. Hang on, this is just ridiculous.
The referee
the
should have
referee
just
needs
stopped
to.
them.
That's a headlock there.
All right, gentlemen, we're not inside an
It's-
MMA match.
No, that's why I said we'll see a rematch.
He's jumping the guillotine, yeah?
I mean, it's a little bit of a headlock. It's a control method, but
Oh, beautiful
Dane
one
de
two there from
Villiers, Dane de
Ishant.
Villiers has got his hands up now, which is a good technique.
Whoa!
Good stinging jab there. He needs to go back to the basics. Go! Beautiful combination. Now, see, this is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. That is, it's a 1-2 punch himself. Man, what a slugfest between these two. These two awesome social media influencers. I mean, who knew these guys could fight this way?
Man, these guys are not, this is not influencer boxing. This is just simple
I
boxing.
mean, it's, you know, that's the thing. When it comes down to it, it's two men who have trained for months for this fight.
And these guys have had a lot of heat between each other in the build-up to this fight.
You know, referee Patikar separating them. It's going to come down to who can hold their nerve and their gas tank.
100%. And already it looks like these two guys are starting to exhaust their
No, I know, but look at the toughness of Dane. 10 seconds to go in this round. Hang on. No, hang on. This is
Come
just.
on, ref, just
now both
stop
of them are just looking to. I think we need to change the rules of this fight.
You know what? Let's just bring these two into a sand pit and tell them to go all out with each other.
No, honestly, this fight, it's just incredible. What a great first round. Brought to you by Global Boxing Series to put together such a wonderful main event in their debut.
And look at this.
and
Ishant
that's-
Rawat immediately
I'm telling you, man,
unloading
Ishant
punches.
Rawat's got some power.
He's
he
got
landed some clean
Oh,
shots.
he's a fitness influencer.
But
He's
no, man,
got power
Dane
on
has
him.
got a chin on him because he ate some bombs, and this is where Dane started coming back. And he came back with a few combinations of his own.
It was, you know what? It was basically a 1 followed by a 2. So if
This is
Ishant
that
goes
again,
all out, then
goes
Dane,
overhand, right and left.
there
but
was
Dane took
a lot of retaliation, yeah? If Ishant went all out, then Dane gave combinations of
That's
his
it.
own.
See, there
And
you
look
go.
at
You
that.
see
Just look at
a
that.
few shots from Dane in reverse as well.
And we've got the crowd supporting Dane de
You can
Villiers.
see
We've got
somebody's
Cat Christian
praying
over
for.
there.
I don't know. It's a nervous
Seconds
moment.
out.
That's Dane's family.
It's his family.
I
All
think
right,
so.
there we go. I wasn't quite aware where they were sitting, but Dane de Villiers certainly has weathered that
Round
early
two.
storm. It's going to be important to see if the storm continues. in
Oh,
round
look at
number
that.
two.
Ishant
But
Rawat
catches him
immediately
coming in.
charging.
Oh, it's 1 or 2. There's Ishant Rawat. And Dane de Villiers has started opening up. Is he catching him coming in now? Because it's going to be interesting to see if he's got that timing. They're
Come on,
clinching
referee.
up
Let's
here.
break the clinch. Let's break the clinch. We want to see some action. Oh.
Hang on a second now. Dane de Villiers needs to get his body off the...
all right.
Hang on. That's
Oh,
illegal.
Just stop that.
That's illegal.
That is
That's
illegal, yeah.
And I would, you know, I don't know. I'm not a referee.
No, you can give a warning and
That's
then
a
maybe
warning.
next
That's
time
a
he does
warning.
it, deduct a point.
Absolutely. That's a warning. That's a referee giving him a warning.
No, the
because
next time he does that is definitely got to be a point deduction.
Dane is
Dane is backed
I don't
up,
know
yeah.
what his got him clean with that right hook. Got him clean, but what a chin on Ishant Rawat as well.
Well,
Ishant
Arjun-
might be hurt.
Arjun, we've been saying playing possum all night and Dane just played
I'm
possum.
telling you, man.
When
I
he
think
was
Dane
backed
de
up
Villiers
against the ring.
Dane de Villiers knows more than we do right now.
Dane de Villiers is the masterclass. But so is Ishant Rawat. He's got some
Ishant
punches of
Rawat,
his own.
man, is shocking the hell out of everybody because he's coming in again. It's a beautiful big uppercut. Knocks his head back and Dane de Villiers now opening up on Ishant Rawat. Ishant doing a good job trying to clinch up here.
And the crowd is going insane for Dane de
He's
Villiers
doing
tonight.
a very good job by putting his head in. But again, I don't like the strategy by Dane de Villiers of leaning against the ring. Maybe he's trying to get him.
No,
He's
but
trying
he's
to
just
get
putting
Ishant to
himself
punch
in a
himself out.
disadvantageous position.
No, it's not. No, it's a strategy. It's called rope-a-dope. It's what Muhammad Ali did for so many years. He put himself against the ropes and get someone to punch, get them to punch himself out, and then at the right moment, he
You get
got
a
him. He
shot of
got
your
that
own.
return punch in. And that's what he did. The thriller in Manila was a lot of rope
come
and down.
on, look at this. I mean,
No,
Ishant
hang on,
Rawat is
come
going
on,
for
stop
headlocks
it.
every 30 seconds.
I'm telling you, man, after this MMA.
I'm
after
telling-
this
oh, yeah.
MMA.
You know what? Just give them a break
I'm
for
gonna
30. Just give them a 30-minute break and tell them to come out and do 2 rounds of MMA. Well, round 2 of 3, under 30 seconds
It's only
left.
3 rounds, and Dane de Villiers is head-hunting here. But what a chin on Ishant Rawat. The 8 bombs at the end of that round. Incredible.
Well, Dane de Villiers looking good after round number 2. Ishant
Tanay,
Rawat
how are
was a
you
bit
enjoying this fight?
Dude, this is exciting. I mean, it has to be the fight of the night because the environment is electric. The fighters are bringing on their gas. There's absolutely no room for error, and they are going all guns blazing.
I think this fight is,
This is the fight of the night.
No.
Oh, come on.
I'll wait for the third round to see what happens. But it certainly is the fan favorite fight.
It is the
tonight.
fan favorite fight of the night, and I'm a fan of both these gentlemen.
But
so I gotta say,
I'm just shocked at the good strategy of Dane de Villiers. He smelled blood. He landed some good shots, and the chin of Ishant, the knucklehead warrior, he's doing a damn good job. And you know what? If his detractors are watching him, they don't have a single bad thing to say against him anymore, because he's proving the fact that at just 21 years of age,
Last
he can
round.
hang here.
round number
Last
3
round of
at the Global
evening.
Boxing Series
Last
here.
round of Global Boxing Series 1 as we culminate
One
this
of
wonderful
many,
night.
Arjun, one of many.
One of many as we culminate this night with Dane de Villiers taking on the knucklehead warrior Ishant Rawat. And again,
he's done it.
Dane is looking to get him, and he's trying to get
He's
him to
telling
step
him-
in. He's
he's
like,
telling him, come on.
step in. Let's see what you got.
All right, a bit of
Dane de
action
Villiers.
against the ropes. Well, happening right in front of us.
The rematch is going to happen in an MMA cage. I guarantee. I want to see that fight as well. I want to be a part of that fight as well. Oh, big uppercut. Trying to grab him, but he needs to be careful here. Both men are dangerous any given time. Ishant packs a lot of power, but Dane de Villiers
all over Ishant
is
Rawat.
starting to open up. He's trying to catch him with that uppercut. And you can see the body language change here. Dane de Villiers has
Dane de
weathered the
Villiers
early
is in
storm.
control.
But you know what? It's boxing. I don't want to say anything. It takes one punch to change the trajectory of a fight.
And we've got 60 seconds on the clock to decide the winner, either by punches
Dane de
or by
Villiers ate a
decision.
few shots there. It's the gas tank of these men. And it's smart strategy. Both these men are clinching with one another when they're in a flurry of shots. And you can see a little bit of admonishment to Dane de Villiers, saying, referee warning him of a potential headbutt. He needs to watch out, watch his entry.
A good sharp jab there by
Nice jab, nice shovel punch attempt there by Dane. And good hook combination.
Oh, there's the takedown.
Yeah, that's honestly that's a headlock drag.
If this was MMA, I'm sure we would have seen an armbar, Arjun.
No, I mean far from an armbar, but he's in side control at that point. But now, jokes apart, 30 seconds to go in this third and final round. And referee admonishing both fighters, saying, guys, let's keep this fight standing.
You know what? This is an actual
Oh, big swing and a miss. And both men going for broke. Yeah, this is where it gets scary. Now, come on. Just guys, come on,
Okay,
man.
I don't know what's happening here, but you know what? They are debutants. We'll give them the benefit of the doubt.
No, I mean, they're fighting for the first time.
Yeah.
It's not a knockdown, it's a slip.
And again, there's just so much tension between the two.
Ishant Rawat's hooks are just in such a dangerous place. And is that I think that's the end
that's the
of the fight. That's the end of 3 rounds.
Both corners tapping up their fighters.
Hang on, are they going to do a sudden death fourth? Because this is going to get a little close to count. I don't know if they're going to do that.
I don't mind.
It's a good
This was an
performance by both.
absolutely
And for the
phenomenal
first time
show.
to be fighting on a pro card is a big deal for these men.
And you know what? Influencer boxing has really been slept upon in every
I
single
mean, take a
country.
look at the replay
But
here.
this-
Dane de Villiers got the knucklehead warrior a couple of times, got some clean shots in. It's this fight, this main event was the fight to create awareness about this entire company, the
And
global
that-
boxing scene. I mean,
There
don't
we go.
talk about the takedowns, my
come on.
friend.
No, but that's why we say that, we want an MMA rematch.
No, I want to see that fight in MMA, and that's just my personal opinion. But
Both corners believing their man has gotten the job done. I think
don't
it's
know,
only a matter of
that's-
time.
It's a good thing that we're not the judges, and I'm seeing one of the owners of Global Boxing Series, Devraj Das, looking on, waiting for the result himself. As both these influencers, you need to understand, Tanay, that this fight, if you don't compare it to the pro bouts and the rest of the card, it is the fight that creates the awareness, is the fight that gets the hook in, is the fight that gets the attention from the new generation of fans to bring their attention to pro boxing
Yeah.
that Global Boxing Series is doing. As we get ready for the result, this has been the final fight. You've been listening to the voice of Arjun Chupalkatti along with our main man, Tanay Patekar, who's I think family members is one of the referees. as well
Yeah,
this
I
day.
mean, the referee who's standing inside the ring right now.
Dane
Well,
de Villiers standing there and the Knucklehead Warrior. I mean, both these kids so young and with such incredible
they've got so
following.
much promise.
No, I'm telling you this. People said this about Jake Paul as well. When he fought his first fight, people said a lot of things saying, oh, you know, this is a disgrace to the sport. I think that's complete BS. I think it is the new generation is the way to capture a new market. And if that's what it needs to be done, Global Boxing Series has made a very smart move in keeping this as their main event. There's nothing else. Okay, I think we're ready
And
for the
one
results.
last time tonight,
Yes,
let's
go
go
for it.
over to main man, James.
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the winner. And the scores are here. 29, 28, 29, 29, 30, 27. Majority win. Let's bring in the winner, Dane
What a fight, ladies and gentlemen. A big round of applause. Well done. And Ishan Knucklehead, come back in here. Ishan, come here. You guys put up a great show, guys. Both of you, really, really good job there. And you know, there was a lot of beef in there, Tane. Brilliant job there. Come right in. You know, you were fantastic. There was a lot of beef in there. There was a lot of garbage talk in there. And people did not think that you'd be able to measure up inside the ring. So give yourselves a round of applause. You were the real deal, brother. Great job there. Thank you so much, Ishan. You were brilliant and great job there on social media as well. It was really good for us. Couple of words before I go into the winner.
वेल काफ़ी अच्छा खेला इसने और मज़ा आ गया इसके साथ खेल के आई होप नेक्स्ट टाइम भी होगा
Next time इसी के साथ rematch चाहिए. Well, that was well done there. But Tane, the big deal, the real deal, it's not just about trash talking on social media. The first influencer fight in the country ever, and you win it so easily. Well done. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Clipped me with a crazy shot, bro. Oh my gosh. It was a good fight. I hope that now the beef is settled. You're a great guy, bro. Appreciate you.
You know, so lots has been talked about, brother. Just being part of Global Boxing Series. You know, we've been working for months. All of us have been doing a really good job pushing it out there. I just want to share a couple of words.
Guys, we made history here. First time in India that this has been done. And I'm grateful to be a part of it and sharing the ring with this guy. He did absolutely well. I underestimated him, honestly. And you are a lot more than what anyone says you are, bro. And you know what? Working with GBS has been an absolute pleasure. And there's so much more to come. So much more. More than anyone can comprehend. So guys, stay tuned. Stay with this journey because it's going to be a great one.
Thank you, gentlemen. Take your seats. Thank you very much. Which is true. I've actually got it now. Before I wrap up in the studios, there are a lot of people that I want to say thank you to. You know, my parents, they're watching a live show of mine for the first time. Very reluctant to come down, actually. So, yeah, they're sitting right there up there in front. You know, so it's great that we were able to do this in front of everyone. Devraj, can you please come up here right now? Where is Devraj? You know, this becomes a bit of a family affair, but his wife was actually sitting at the back because he didn't call up. In